Recently, I met with Sumit. He's my childhood friend, my old friend, and हम दोनों की मुलाकात बहुत कम होती है. Like वो बैंगलोर में कॉलेज में रहता है और मैं यहाँ पे अपने कॉलेज में. And we nearly meet like एक 6 महीने में एक बार. We are those friends that meet once in 6 months. तो he told me that I look changed. मतलब मैं पहले जैसा था अभी पूरा बदल गया हूँ. तो मैंने उसको पूछा कि मैं पहले कैसा था, how was I before? To which he said कि I was this calm, quiet kid in the school who was quite of not interested in studies, but did good in exams, but kind of not interested in studies. मतलब क्लासरूम में unattentive टाइप का रहता था. ऐसे मतलब चुपचाप टाइप का बंदा था मैं. The time he told me we were high. Yeah, so we had a joint, and the moment he said me all this, I stood for a minute, and then I could recall some of my memories from school. Thanks to Sumit, he filled some of the gaps of my memories from school. So I had always this feeling of procrastination or egoistic feeling that I can complete the task tomorrow, or I can complete the task after going home. Like teacher would be teaching everything, and um I would be remembering my thoughts. I would be into my thoughts all day. And the only time I was attentive is when the teacher would dictate notes or question answers. And Baki time I would just sit there and think my thoughts all day. In college, the notes are the PDFs or PPTs that the teacher shares with us. And in school, in school में क्या होता था, teacher would give us some points while teaching. He would or she would dictate us some points, or it was generally like question answer type. एक बार teacher ने पढ़ा लिया, then he or she would give us some questions that we need to answer from the book, or he or she would also dictate the answers. I want you to ask a question to yourself. Is this why we went to school? To sit silently till the teacher says something, we write down, we eat food, and we come home. Is this the life you wanted? Is this the life we dreamed of? If this pleases you, if this makes you comfortable, then I guess we should be better be at home than to be going school and wasting our parents' money. This is what I was in school. I would not like sitting in this classroom, but I would love to be at home all the time because I was so acquainted, I was so lazy that I would like to, if I got the chance, I would be at home all day long. I would be very happy on the week of the second Saturday. I would be very happy, I would be very excited on the Friday, मतलब on the afternoon of Friday, क्योंकि तब मैं छुट्टी होके I would go to home and I would get a holiday, that is Saturday and Sunday, 2 days of holiday. I don't know second Saturday को क्यों स्कूल छुट्टी होता है, but I guess तुम्हारे स्कूल में भी छुट्टी है second Saturday को. Have you become so attached to your home that you are afraid to go out and try new things? Maybe it is one of the imposter syndrome that we think that what will people think about us? People will judge us and they will would pass comments कि क्या कर रहा है ये, ऐसे कैसे हो रहा है. I know we are different. We all are different. We do have different characteristics. Someone has a different way of doing things than us, and we have a different things of doing things. If you have this negative belief that what people would think about you, let me tell you, I'm 20 and I can tell that no one cares. Nobody cares, bro. Everybody thinks about themselves, everybody cares about themselves. People do not care about you. We should be getting away with the thinking whatever the person, whatever the third person is thinking about us. Oh, ये लड़का मेरे बारे में ऐसा सोच रहा है. Oh, ये मेरे बारे में ऐसे सोच रही होगी. ये क्या कैसे सोच रही होगी. We need to get away of that. Increasing confidence is so easy. That's because there are a lot of people who are exactly like you who are underconfident. So why don't we teach them how to be confident? Why don't we show them what confidence looks like? For that, we need to be confident first, and we need to inspire people around us. उसके लिए you need to face the fears of your own, and you need to show them that you are confident enough to compete against any one of them. So how can you increase your confidence in school? Step number 1. Ask doubts to the teacher. Generally in class it happens that generally in a classroom, in a school, generally in a school classroom, it happens that the one teacher would be teaching 40 of the students, and the teacher would teach for the sake of teaching. Most cases, I'm not blaming any teacher. in most cases, what I've seen that the teacher would try to finish the course or the syllabus. So he or she would teach and would not care if you uh, got it or not, if you understood or not. वो बस सिलेबस को कंप्लीट कराने के लिए पढ़ा देते हैं, sorry. Also, you will see in the classroom amongst your friends that there are a lot of your friends that would just pretend to listen to the teacher. Like, teacher would be teaching and they would be like, but you can say that they're not listening to the teacher. Also, here I'm not blaming everyone. There might be someone, or there might be some students, some friends of yours who would be like this. और ऐसे students को अगर teacher एक बार पकड़ ले तो उनका अच्छे से बकरा बनता है. Like, yeah, they would be responding, they would be just nodding heads, and when teacher would ask them, बताओ मैंने क्या बताया? Ma'am, if we find ourselves in these situations that we were not attentive, in these situations it would be important to admit that yes, we were we were unattentive, and what you need to do is do this and ask, ma'am, can you repeat the last words of yours? It's so simple. You need just थोड़ा सा confidence चाहिए. हाथ उठाओ and ask the teacher, ma'am, could you repeat what you said? कि क्या आप repeat कर सकते हो आपने जो अभी just पढ़ाया? The teacher would happily answer your question, and he would or she would be happy that you questioned. हम ये बैठ के रह जाते हैं कि टीचर क्या सोचेगी, बाकी लोग क्या सोचेंगे अगर मैं क्वेश्चन पूछ लिया तो भरी मतलब एक मतलब टीचर पढ़ा रहे, सब अपने अपने काम में व्यस्त हैं. मैंने अगर क्वेश्चन पूछ लिया तो सब मुझ पे मतलब लाल आंख हो जाएगा सबका, वैसे वैसे टाइप का फीलिंग कि क्या बोला ये, क्यों खड़ा होके बोल दिया. No one cares, bro. No one cares. And the teacher would be happy, and your confidence level will increase when you ask questions. अगर देखो तुम्हें कोई भी डाउट हो, तुम टीचर को पूछो, या फिर इमीडिएटली टीचर को कुछ भी नहीं, अगर ये भी मान सकते हो कि तुमने कुछ नहीं समझा, जस्ट आस्क द टीचर, सर मैम आपने अभी क्या पढ़ा है, मुझे समझ नहीं आया. टीचर के साथ कांटेक्ट करोगे ना, मतलब जब यू कांटेक्ट विद द हायर लेवल, विद समवन दैट इज हायर लेवल देन you increase your confidence significantly, bro. ट्राई इट. मैं बोल रहा हूँ ट्राई करके देखो. ऐसे छुप के बैठे मत रहो. स्कूल है, पैसे दे रहे हो तुम्हारे माँ बाप. Point number 2 in how to increase your confidence in school: help your peers in resolving their doubts. Peers मतलब peers साबुन नहीं. Peers मतलब your friends who have the same goal, और friends who have the same goal. तुम सबका तुम्हारे सेक्शन में तुम्हारे जो फ्रेंड्स हैं, what is all your common goal that you want to achieve? That is to secure good marks in exam, and to learn new things, to learn the things what teacher said. It's actually not about marks, it's the things that you learn, anything that you learn in school. Now, what does helping your friends do to increase your confidence? Step 1: if you're someone who thinks what other people would think about me, if you have this negative feeling कि दूसरा लोग मेरे बारे में क्या सोच रहा है, then you could be assured that दूसरा लोग जो भी मतलब तुम जिसके बारे में सोच रहे हो कि वो तुम्हारे बारे में क्या सोच रहा है या सोच रही है, then you would be assured कि yeah, this person would think good about me. They'll feel good about you, so you can have this confidence कि हाँ, I'm doing good, I'm doing well, I'm on the right path. Step 2: to help others. You need to have information all the time. So rather than wasting time on doing shitty stuff, like thinking about your thoughts all day long, बाप रे यार, ये बहुत ही फालतू चीज करता था मैं, पता है. If you are a quiet guy, listen to the teacher, listen to what she says, or do not wait for the teacher to recall notes. Whatever teacher tells you, write that down. It does not मतलब तुम्हारे पास एक रफ कॉपी भी रखो. Whatever you learn, whatever you understand, just write that down. And if you do not, ask the teacher, as I said in the first point, ask the teacher, ma'am, sir, समझ नहीं आया, फिर से समझा दो. The teacher would be happy to explain you that. So how can you help people? You can help people by lending something, भाई एक पेंसिल देना, हाँ ये लो ना, ये लो ना लो पेंसिल, या ये एक हेल्प हो गया. बी द पर्सन सो गुड दैट अदर पीपल वांट टू टेक हेल्प फ्रॉम यू, एंड डू नॉट फील बैड. बी assured, be happy that people are asking for your help. उसके लिए ये थोड़ा सा टफ प्रोसेस है, बट इफ यू कुड डू इट यू विल बी द टॉपर. टॉपर नहीं मतलब इन द ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ स्टेटस, मार्क्स के मार्क्स के बेसिस पे मैं नहीं बता सकता, बट इन द स्टेटस हायरार्की, मतलब तुम क्या सोचते हो कि तुम क्लास में सबसे ज्यादा पसंदीदे हो, या फिर ऐसे ही मतलब थोड़ा फेमस टाइप थे. इफ यू वांट टू बी द अट्रैक्शन, द पॉइंट ऑफ अट्रैक्शन, you need to have information, all types of information with you, and you need to be good in a specific subject. What you can do is start conversating with people, start conversating with friends, start conversating with your peers, with your friends, start talking with them. Understand कि किसको किस में क्या डाउट है. किसी को इंग्लिश टफ लगता है, इंग्लिश किसको टफ लगता है. इट माइट हैपन कि किसी को मैथ्स टफ लग रहा है, किसी को नेटिव लैंग्वेज तुम्हारा टफ लग रहा है, किसी को साइंस डर लग रहा है, किसी को इंग्लिश में. नॉट एवरी वन इज गुड इन ऑल द सब्जेक्ट. वट यू शुड डू इज फोकस ऑन वन सब्जेक्ट, बी गुड इन दैट, बी सो गुड इन दैट, एंड देन टीच योर फ्रेंड्स एंड क्लियर योर डाउट्स. जनरली क्या होता है ना कि अगर मैं क्लास 6 में हूँ एंड द डाउट आई हैव इन द क्लास 6, and when I go in class 7 and I look back to the things in class 6, the padhai in class, matlab all those question answer padhai likhai that was in class 6, I would look back and think कि मैं ये करने में असामर्थ्य था, मतलब I was not able to do this. You realize कि class 7 में you can solve class 6 के question a lot more easier. Why? Because तब हमारा ब्रेन बढ़ चुका होता है, तब हमारे ब्रेन को इंफॉर्मेशन मिलती है to solve the question. But I find one of this problem, yeah, I'm not about to roast you, but I find this problem in all the people, in all the parents. They're all about teaching their children different stuff. Matlab, this is a complaint to all the parents. This is a request to all the parents. Let your child discover what he feels and what he feels to study, in what subject he has interest in. लेकिन पेरेंट्स को ये देखा गया है कि दे ऑल पुश टू गेट मार्क्स, मतलब दे विल पुश यू टू गेट मार्क्स. इट्स लाइक कि तुमने अभी साइकिल चलाना सीखा है एंड दे विल गिव यू अ बाइक कि ये लो चलाओ. बेसिकली ये हो सकता है कि तुम उस पर बैठ सकते हो, बट हैंडल को ऐसे ऐसे कर सकते हो, बट you need to learn how to switch gear, you need to learn how to start a bike, you need to know how to balance a bike. अगर वो नहीं होगा तो तुम अगर साइकिल सीखे हो तो तुम गिर जाओगे बहुत इजीली. तो आई वुड सजेस्ट कि पिक अ सब्जेक्ट दैट यू फील हैप्पी टीचिंग अबाउट. मतलब कोई एक सब्जेक्ट पिक करो जो कि तुम्हें पढ़ने में मजा आता है बट बाकियों को नहीं आता है. बी गुड एट इट एंड हेल्प पीपल इन योर स्कूल टू रिजॉल्व देयर डाउट्स. मतलब कोई भी, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई वुड चूज साइंस. साइंस में भी 3 आता है, फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री बायोलॉजी. उसमें भी देख लो कि तुमको क्या पसंद आ रहा है. I would choose biology because it related to nature. It is related to nature. It is related to animals, plants, all those. मतलब I love nature, so I adore nature. I love nature, so I would have chosen biology. So be good at it and teach people, or resolve your doubts. Resolve the doubts what your friends have.